And everywhere we go, people want to know. We are the Panthers.
This is a great, magical place to be, and your teachers are the ones that make it happen for you every single day. Can we take a moment and give a round of applause to all of your teachers who are here with us here today?
This school year, we have been traveling all across the country presenting Milken Awards to outstanding educators. And one of the best teachers in the entire country is here at your school. Do you want to know who it is? The Milken Award goes to Jessica Wentz.
Oh my goodness, wow. I just am so lucky that I've become the teacher I am today because of so many amazing teachers I've worked with and have mentored me. And I do it because I love every single one of you, and it makes what we do just so wonderful, and there's no other job I'd rather have, so I'm so honored and blown away.
So this tells teachers across the state and the nation that we care about them, that this is an important profession, just like the Oscars and the Emmys and all the other awards that are given out for other professionals.
We're at a point where we need to be uplifting our teachers because we need people. We need great people, just like her, to be able to work with our children.
I love to create lessons that bring learning to life. So we should tell our guests, we've been working this week on open syllable words, right? And so we've been working on knowing that an open syllable word, what kind of vowel sound does an open syllable word have, Brian? A long vowel sound. So the books that we've been reading, the passages we've been reading, the words we've been spelling, all follow that pattern. So we're gonna practice it, okay? Let's do the word fly, fly. Fly, fly. We all do what we do because we love it so much. It just is who I am. It's my passion. It's what I love to do. And I truly couldn't imagine being in any other profession.